Meet SalesSync, my new retail app, built entirely on Microsoft Fabric with full write back to the database. Add a product and inventory updates instantly. Ring up a sale and stock adjusts in real time. Print receipts at checkout. Track everything on a live sales dashboard. And manage customers with full purchase history. Let me show you. Here in the app I can add a new product from the product menu, but before I do, let's check the inventory first. My inventory currently holds 36 SKUs, so when I add a new product, it should go up to 37. Now, over to Add Product. I'll enter the product name, Suede Chelsea Boots, and a brief description. Next, I pick the available sizes and the gender, then select the available colors. I enter the price and a discount if there's one available. Then the stock, let's say 10 units, and finally the product category. I can also upload a product image. This works, but the final storage is still being sorted out, so we won't see the image just yet. Once everything is entered and checked, I click Add Product, and within a few seconds, the product is saved. To verify, let's head back to the inventory, and there it is, 37 SKUs. The product name, the quantity, and the colors all reflect correctly. Next, let's make a sale, using the Suede Chelsea Boots we just added. On the Receipt and POS menu, I select the product, choose the color, enter a quantity, let's say 3, and click Add. Now for the customer details. I can pick an existing customer or create a new one. For a new customer, I enter the name, phone number, and address. Then I select the payment method, apply a discount if there is one, and click Complete Sale to generate the receipt. The sale is now complete, and I can print the receipt right here. Now back to the inventory. We added 10 Suede Chelsea boots, and after selling 3, the quantity now reads 7. Updated in real time. Over on the Customers menu, our new customer is already listed, complete with their details and full purchase history. And finally, the Sales Dashboard, giving me live insights into sales performance right inside the app. This is a serious upgrade from regular Power BI reports and dashboards. With Fabric apps, you don't just visualize your data, you control it. New to Fabric apps? Start with my playlist, Fabric Apps for Beginners, end to end, and the full SalesSync build is coming soon. Watch this space.